हम चाहेंगे जो बेहतर खेलेगा वो ये जो सीरीज है वो अपने नाम पर जाएगा।
But yes, more comments coming up. More comments coming up. But yes, if you are really watching us, do let us know which is your supporting team and who is going to win the match today. Let's get to see more of your comments coming in. And so far, so good. Many supporters for the Gomati field. But yes, 14, I mean 17 Khasran will go in this time. So, you know, let's get to see more comments coming up from the players or you know the supporters that are watching us live today.
और रचना देवी जमातिया जी कह रही है कि गोमती केला प्लेयर इज ऑलवेज ऑन फायर टॉप।
Absolutely, Mitchell. That is right. But you know, we also have to see if the North Panthers will come up as the winning team today, or if they can come one equal or two equal, whatever it is. We have to wait for the result at the final end of the day. So. Comment us and let us know, and if you love the commentary, let us know as well. Because me, Steve, might cover up an English commentary. So let's talk of the expert here, which is Dutch. He's also an expert in Hindi commentary, football. Let's get to know who do you love the most, and you know how we can improve ourselves in the daily come as well.
बहुत लगता है फुटबॉल का जो जन्म है वहीं से हुआ है, तो वहाँ के फैन ज़्यादा ही हैं।
Yeah, Mitchell, and if you come from Kerala area, obviously there are many